This is the dawn of autonomous warfare, where thousands of assets move as a single entity. No human error, no hesitation, only the cold logic of the machine.
Imagine looking into the sky and seeing not one enemy aircraft, but thousands of intelligent drones moving as one. This is no longer science fiction. It's the future of warfare. Military radar systems detect an overwhelming number of incoming targets. Every second counts, but the swarm is already adapting faster than human operators can react. For generations, military strength meant larger tanks, faster fighter jets, and more powerful warships. But a new era is challenging everything we once believed about combat.
Warfare has evolved into a silent, autonomous frontier.
Small drones costing only a fraction of traditional weapons are now capable of destroying equipment worth millions. Modern battlefields are proving that size is no longer the ultimate advantage. Nature solved this problem millions of years ago. A swarm of bees doesn't rely on a single leader. Every member reacts instantly to protect the colony, and military engineers are learning from that design. Every drone continuously shares information with the others. Position, speed, enemy movement, and threats are exchanged in milliseconds, creating a flying network powered by artificial intelligence.
Theater network active.
AI processes enormous amounts of battlefield data instantly. It analyzes terrain, weather, radar signals, and potential targets far faster than any human command center. Inside the swarm, every drone has a purpose. Some scout ahead, others jam communications, while attack drones engage targets. Together, they function like a single, intelligent organism. Even if several drones are destroyed, the mission continues. The swarm immediately reorganizes itself, adjusting formations and assigning new roles without waiting for human command.
A massive swarm approaches.
All engagements authorized.
Imagine hundreds of autonomous drones approaching a naval fleet from every direction. Traditional defenses may struggle against such overwhelming numbers attacking simultaneously. Future conflicts may take place inside cities, where drone swarms can navigate narrow streets, fly between buildings, and gather intelligence in places too dangerous for soldiers. Across open deserts, AI-controlled drones can coordinate attacks on armored vehicles while constantly adapting to changing battlefield conditions. Rugged mountains are no longer natural barriers. Autonomous drones can map difficult terrain, avoid obstacles, and maintain communication even in remote environments.
Target count is critical! Radar is overloaded!
Modern air defense systems are designed to intercept aircraft and missiles, but when thousands of drones arrive at once, even advanced defenses could face unprecedented challenges. Around the world, governments are investing billions of dollars into artificial intelligence and autonomous military systems. The race is no longer just about firepower, it's about smarter technology. Inside high-security laboratories, engineers are developing faster processors, smarter algorithms, and autonomous systems designed to operate with minimal human intervention. Automated production lines can manufacture drones at incredible speed, making it possible to replace battlefield losses far more quickly than traditional military equipment. As artificial intelligence becomes more capable, one difficult question remains. Should a machine ever be allowed to decide when to use lethal force?
Network online. Grid calibrated. Engaging targets. All units, advance!
The battlefield of tomorrow may be filled with autonomous aircraft, robotic vehicles, and AI-powered command systems working together at speeds beyond human capability. The future of warfare is already taking shape. AI drone swarms may transform how wars are fought,
but how nations choose to use this technology will shape the future of global security for decades to come.